Hey guys, welcome back. So it's actually later on in the afternoon. I want to say it is, actually I don't even know what time it is. Let me double check. My house is a complete and total mess right now. We are actually, okay, so it's 7 o'clock. And we actually went to the zoo. Today we went pretty early actually. It was supposed to be a 10, but we went like at 11:30. And we had to pick up my sister-in-law, and we had a nice day. My zoo membership actually expires tomorrow, so I actually have to repurchase it tonight. But we love going to the zoo. I have a hot mess. If you guys haven't seen my video on this Petunia Pickle Bottom stroller caddy, watch it because I love this thing, and my husband has decided for me that we're taking it to Florida. He says it's so handy and I don't have to carry much, so that one's definitely going with us. I have yesterday's pizza here, I have my sunblock, I have like all these miscellaneous things everywhere. I just dropped the water bottle because we are actually having, I don't want to show my in-laws address, but we're having a garage sale in 2 days, so I have gone through so much of my clothes, getting rid of so much stuff. I don't need it, and I just don't need it, and I just don't need it. So yeah, I just thought I'll go ahead and vlog the rest of today, since I haven't vlogged. My husband was on vacation this week. He's still on vacation, still has a couple days, but I really didn't want to vlog. He was on vacation. I accidentally exited out. I didn't want to vlog his entire vacation. I just really wanted to enjoy his time off and us being together as our little family. But I also feel like that's how I'm going to be for our Florida trip, since this trip coming up in a couple months is very much a miracle that everybody's able to go at the same time, and get the time off at the same time. It just doesn't really happen. So I'm really excited for it, and I really want to be in the moment. So I'm just really excited for this trip. So I don't know if I'm gonna film a lot in it. So I think I have a couple of videos that I am definitely gonna film, but I meant vlogging. Not 100% sure. And to be honest, vlogs, like vacation vlogs, aren't my favorite. I like the preparation and while you're in the moment, and little vlogs. I don't like my day in Magic Kingdom vlogs. Like those usually don't excite me, but that's just personal preference. But if you go to Disney Springs, I'm all like, I want to know what you did at Disney Springs. Anyways, and then we went to go eat some pho. I'm gonna put this over here. I didn't finish mine because they have the most amazing wings, and I ate that. But we did have this new pop shop store right next to it. So we walked in. Let me quickly just show you what we got. It's nothing crazy. It kind of reminds me of Five Below, to be 100% honest, but they just have more things and more expensive things. I feel like it's a cross between Target, Dollar Spot, and Five Below. That's kind of what it reminds me of. My sister-in-law actually bought this for my daughter. This was $19, which has like sharks and all that stuff. I'm actually gonna quickly clean that stuff right now. And this bag came in it, and I think it's such a perfect bag to like put some activities for my toddler. So yeah, so let's get into the haul. All right, so I only see these at Dollar Tree when I get lucky. We have transitioned my toddler out of mess free. She uses regular markers. She gets it on her hands, but she hates that though. But I do like these because they're like single papers, and they come with the markers, but honestly she could use regular crayons. These were $3 there, which I was okay with spending with because I know she's going to like the characters that they come in on. This one's princesses, but it does have like Jasmine, it has Mickey, it has Rapunzel. I think these are great for the bag. This bag, instead of having her little book, I think these are going to be good to just kind of keep in there. My husband saw a little section for cars, Hot Wheels, so he got her 4 cars. I'm pretty sure he's super excited to play with those with her. And then I got 2 of these. One we already gave to her because she needed to stay awake. This girl does not sleep if she naps. I will be up until 2-3 o'clock in the morning. Mama doesn't want to do that. And she's always been like this. But I'm also like thinking, we want one more, and I'm eventually gonna have to start working part-time, you know, because YouTube doesn't pay me. So I'm definitely going to not be able to have her like, you need to sleep. Like, you need to sleep. I was actually gonna get one of these at Target, and at this store, Pop Shelf, they had it for $3. So it is a Kinetic Sand Surprise, the one and the only. I don't know what that means. I think it just means like it's a color surprise in there. I'm not sure, but I got this because I was gonna give her something like that anyways, and I thought it would be great for her to play with. They had a couple of dollar books, which again I thought would be absolutely amazing. I got some 2 of them are prayer books, which, you know, they're great. We've been really praying at night, so I really like that these are prayer books. I'm gonna actually keep these by the bed so she can play with that as we go to sleep. And then I saw 2 of these, and I thought this one was Mickey Mouse, and it's not. They're both Minnie. Oh well. Minnie Mouse little books. Again, they're just books so that she can like look at it and read. She loves looking at books, so thought these would be great to have on hand as well. And then the last thing I picked up, because I have a sweet tooth for chocolate, is this guy. It's just chocolate covered peanuts. They had almonds, but almonds can be a little hard sometimes, and you guys know I still don't have a tooth, so yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, and I'll be right back. Currently watching Pretty Little Liars and pricing things. I think $5 for a nerve base is a steal. I actually have some of this stuff on Poshmark, but honestly I just want to get rid of stuff at this point. And all this money will be going for our trip, and some will be going into my daughter's college fund. So I hope we make some kind of cash this weekend. It's supposed to rain though one day, so I'm like, but the next day is supposed to be beautiful and sunny. So if Chicago can just like pretend it's not Florida and be raining all the time, that'd be great. Alright guys, so I will see you guys tomorrow as we still continue to get ready for this garage sale. I'm exhausted from the zoo. I need to clean my room really bad, but I am really gonna just take a shower and get ready for bed with my munchkin. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is the next day. Actually, no. The last time I vlogged was 2 days ago. I didn't vlog yesterday because we had so much to do to get ready for the garage sale. So at night we actually went to my in-laws house and we started putting the stuff for the garage sale. We ended up selling $150 before we even were supposed to do the garage sale. And then today my husband says we sold like another 400 and it's not even noon, which is awesome. I have another bin here. It's mainly my daughter's clothes. We kept like 2 bins of newborn to 1-year-old stuff because we don't know, obviously once I get pregnant we don't know what we're gonna have. So yeah, apparently we're kind of like empty now on our table, so we'll see right now when we get there. My husband was already there in the morning, so was my mom and my in-laws and everybody. I stay home with the munchkin so that she you know, can sleep in and I can get her ready for the day. So we'll go ahead and see what else we actually ended up, you know, selling. And I have to fill up the table again. Alright, so we actually sold a lot already. I had that full of makeup. I had like 4 different diaper bags there. A lot of shoes sold. A lot of that sold. I just replenished it. A lot of things have already sold. I refilled this like 3 times already, you guys. Like, some people are buying it, kid clothes and stuff. It is pouring outside, which is probably why things are not selling. I'm just replenishing. This is just my clothes. I have some dresses I need to get hangers for. I have some shoes here. Some are limited edition, so I don't want to go lower in the prices for those, but other shoes, some toys that my daughter doesn't even acknowledge. But yeah, we have sold a lot though, even though the weather is ugly. Tomorrow's gonna be really nice outside, so I'm hopefully gonna get rid of everything, hopefully. Alright guys, I just noticed I never exited out of this video. So we ended up my goal was 700, to be honest, just to take, but we doubled it. So I'm so happy and so grateful. We are gonna have another garage sale in a couple weeks, so when that happens, I might vlog, might not, but I'm hoping to make a couple more hundred, which really helps with, you know, getting ready for a trip. So note to self, have a garage sale if you want to go on vacation, because there's a lot of things in your house you probably don't need. All right, so that is all for today's video. Please leave this emoji down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.